Alright, so if you clicked on this video, you're probably having an issue with your coil pack connector on your either 2JZ GTE or 2JZ GE. That was the case for me. I have a 2JZ GE in my 2002 Lexus IS300 manual. So this is a replacement coil pack connector. I'll put the link for these in the description. I think it's this Atomic. I'm pretty sure I just got them off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. You see it has all your GE and GTE denominations there. So it doesn't really come with any directions, so it took me a little finagling to figure out actually how these work. And the reason that these are commonly replaced is because the OEM ones are very brittle, and obviously if they're 15 years, which is how old my car is, a brittle plastic right next to the engine, all that heat, pretty much just asking to break. Good thing these are very cheap. So I'll show you how to take these. So I don't need the wires. I didn't need the wires when I redid the connectors on my Lexus. So I figured I just had to figure out how to get the wires out, because I just needed the connector portion. So you start by, I'm just using this is actually like a SIM card punch for a phone. Anything, a pin will work just fine. But let me get in here. And there's a tab here, there's a little plate that comes over, and you want to start by loosening these tabs here. See, I give that a little pull, turn it around. Sorry, I'm trying to see how you get those little tabs free, and then that comes free. Now you have this little white piece right here, and there's a little rail on that inside. I'm just going to go in here, pry that guy out. Now, this is kind of where it got tricky and where I really just yanked the wires right out of here. There's actually little pins in there that hold the metal in. So obviously if you don't need the wires in this situation, the wires are good to go on your current setup. So in getting these out, you just want to move that pin off of the metal, and it's kind of back there. It's kind of back there. It's kind of tough to see. Hold on one second. I'll see if I can shine a light in there. It's going to be tough for you guys to see. But there's a little plastic piece. You can kind of see it right there on that left one that comes down. And if you just yank the wires out, it breaks. So what I'm going to do is just lift that out of the way with my pin. So we'll do the top one here. See? There we go. That's one out. And you can kind of see better now how that pin comes down there. See that? I'll do the other one. Sorry, I wasn't able to get great footage on that. Maybe this one will go a little bit smoother here. It's just down there. See? And that's how you get those out without breaking them. What I was doing is I got frustrated and I pretty much just blasted the wire right out of that and broke those connectors. So if you do that, you're kind of SOL because there's nothing really holding it in, and reassembly is pretty easy. My black was on the bottom. You hear it click. There it goes. click, and then the white piece goes right over top. That just slides in, and then your black piece comes in to protect it all. And that's really all there is to it. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.